back to another YouTube video. Today, I'm just shocked internally. We have a special unboxing because today we are unboxing the M1 Mac Mini. I am so excited right now. And we're also going to be unboxing the Magic Mouse and the Magic Keyboard. So I guess let's just get into the Mac unboxing. Alright, so we're going to start off with the Mac Mini itself. Now I already took off the plastic off of this, so we can just lift this right off. Here we go. Oh my goodness. This is so... Oh, the Mac in all its glory. Let me show you guys. Let me take it out. Oh my goodness. This thing is so heavy. That smells like... It smells like apple. It just smells like apple. Oh my goodness. Here it is, my folks. The M1 Mac Mini. This thing looks so good. Oh my god, there's like fingerprints I think on it already. Oh my god. Okay, so that's the Mac Mini right there. That's our little unboxing. And also that comes in the box. We get the Designed by Apple in California. Let's see what we get. What do we get? Whoa. This is a big apple. I've never seen an apple sticker this big. That's pretty big. And then just paperwork and stuff. And then the last thing that comes in the box is your cable to plug it in. Now, the only thing with the Mac Mini is you do have to get your mouse and your keyboard separate. It does not come with the purchase, but it'll probably come up recommended in your bag when you go check. So that's all that comes in the box. Your Mac Mini, your charging cable, and your paperwork. Okay, next with the Mac Mini, we're gonna take off this beautiful piece of paper. All right, let's see all the ports. Are you ready? Oh, that's nice. Oh, I'm so excited. It has a little power button right there. Oh, I'm getting excited. All right, so that is the Mac Mini unboxing. Now we're gonna go ahead and unbox the Magic Keyboard and the mouse. Okay, here is the mouse, and let's go ahead and unbox it. It's a very basic unboxing of a mouse. Ta-da! And there is the black Magic Mouse, or the space gray Magic Mouse. And you can see me in the reflection. This mouse is pretty cool. I really like this. Feels nice in my hand, nice and cold. And also in the box, we get our space gray, or really black, lightning cable. Now onto the Magic Keyboard. Okay guys, so here is the Magic Keyboard. Now the black, or the space gray Magic Keyboard, I keep saying black, is only available with the number pad, as you can see. So this is a very long keyboard. So we're just gonna, oh my goodness, I love the Magic Keyboard. It looks so good. Look at this. Like, you cannot say no to this. And the buttons are nice and clicky. I like that noise, you know? Some ASMR action. Ooh, I love that noise. I already actually looked at this before, so that's why it doesn't have plastic on it. And then you have your little paperwork slip and a black lightning cable. Now, we are going to set up the Mac Mini. Okay guys, so this is the moment I have been waiting for today, is to turn on my Mac Mini. Here we go. It just made the noise. It just made, it just made a noise. Holy God. Oh my God, Apple. Okay, it's just okay. I'm really excited, guys. So if you're wondering why I'm freaking out, it's because this is my first Apple computer. I have never had an Apple computer in my entire life. Oh, okay. I am going to turn off the camera really quick, and I'm going to set this up because this is so exciting. All right, so I'm going to come back with you guys when this is done setting up. Okay, guys, so I'm almost done setting up. I don't know if this is like the last screen or anything because I've never had a Mac before, so I'm going to check back in on you guys when this is done setting up. Okay, guys, so here we go. We are about to get into macOS Big Sur. It says setting up my Mac, and in a few seconds, we will have a Mac. Oh my goodness! Would you look at this? We have a Mac set up and all ready to go. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and liked me unboxing my brand new Mac. I hope you guys have a wonderful Christmas, or whenever I'm posting this. I don't know when I'm posting this. I'm getting like notifications on my Mac. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I will see you guys in the next video, which will be about this Mac, and I hope you guys enjoy. Bye!